Welcome to DIY Design by CCW, DIY Design for the 21st Century. My name is Candy and I'm the host of this channel. Now let's get into this video. Well, hello everyone. Welcome to DIY Design by CCW. Thank you so much for tuning in and I hope you're having a fantastic day. I am jumping on quickly to talk to you about the Candy Does Farmhouse Tablescape series. So if you've been following the series, this is the third one I believe in the series, actually maybe the fourth one. And I am going to do one more after this one on August 24th. Again, I hope you've enjoyed it. It's been fun to kind of try something different, step away from the glam a little bit. Now in this tablescape, what I did is kind of switched a few things up. I am going with buffalo check again, or buffalo plaid, but this time I'm using the buffalo plaid runners as well as the placemats. I've changed up the place settings and the centerpiece is different. Now I did do sunflowers previously, but they were the yellow sunflowers, and you can see these are, or maybe you can't see, but these are like an off-white. So anyway, I'm going to stop talking, let you enjoy the tablescape. I hope you'll go and visit the other videos and make sure that you watch them. And I hope you come back next week for the final Candy Does Farmhouse Tablescape series video. So here we go, guys.